99 sets lang ang ginawa sa buong mundo nito. This is called the One Piece 4 Emperors Gilded Limited Set. Sa loob ng set na to, merong kasamang Sabo, Shanks, Whitebeard, Big Mom, Ace, Blackbeard, Kaido, Law, and yung Gear 5 na Luffy. Kaya ito limited in quantities kasi meron siyang gilding, ibig sabihin meron siyang holographic foil on the sides. Yan, foil and shiny yan. Tapos pag pinakita nyo or pag nakita nyo yung ibang decks, makita nyo na iba-iba yung kulay niya corresponding to the character. So, for the cards naman, it's 100% custom. Kasi yung mga court cards niya, it features the characters from the hit One Piece na series, diba? Ayan. Tapos for the aces, may custom artwork rin. Ito yung numbered cards. At ito naman yung back design. Bukod dito, meron rin kaming ibang limited set na Shichibukai, di ba? And ito naman yung kasama niya na merong 8 decks in total. Limited quantities lang ang meron tayo and first come, first serve. So, pauna na lang. Yun lang.